Hello everyone, Reza here. Today I want to talk about something I'm genuinely excited to be part of. The 2026 Reallusion Character Contest. This year I'll be joining the contest as one of the judges. So, if you create 3D characters, if you animate them, or you've been looking for the perfect excuse to start a new personal project, this could be your moment. The contest runs from early June to the end of August 2026, and one of the things I really like about this year's event is the creative freedom it gives to the artists. So it's not about forcing everyone into one narrowed style or one specific direction. It's about bringing your own imagination, artistic taste, and creative voice into the work. Because at the end of the day, memorable characters are not just technical exercises. Of course, strong modeling, texturing, rigging, and animation all matter, but the characters people truly connect with usually have something more. They have personality, they have presence, maybe a sense of life behind the design. And honestly, as a judge, that's what I'll be paying attention to. The contest covers a range of categories, from character design and character animation to accurate characters, with both realistic and stylized approaches welcomed throughout. So whether you enjoy crafting hero characters, stylized designs, or building fast production-ready rigs, there is plenty of room to explore your strength. Another important thing to mention is that this contest is not just backed by Reallusion. It is also supported by major names across 3D, game engine, software, and hardware space, making it an even bigger stage for artists. Also, this year's contest is very approachable for newcomers. If you're curious about, let's say, iClone or Character Creator, or simply want to just test the workflow before jumping in, Reallusion offers trial versions, free assets, and learning resources to help you get started. There's also plugins and setup tools that connect smoothly with software packages like Blender, Maya, Unreal Engine, Unity, ZBrush, and so much more. So it can fit naturally into your existing pipeline. I also recommend checking out the official Reallusion website or the link in the description for all the contest details, categories, rules, and more importantly, updates. And if you want extra guidance, I'll have some of my own tutorials and playlists in the description as well. So my advice is very simple. Start early. Choose a clear direction and focus on what makes your character memorable. Maybe it's the silhouette, maybe it's the animation, maybe it's the story behind the eyes. Whatever that is, lean into it. Good luck, have fun, and see you in the contest.